Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the Nubank. First, open the Nubank app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Look at the three dot or the profile icon in the top corner of your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Then tap on menu. In the menu, find settings. Inside the setting, look for the language or app preference. This is the place where you can switch between language. Tap on the language option and you will see the list of available languages like English, Portuguese, Brazil or others. Select the language you want. After you tap your new language, the app may reload or refresh automatically. You will also see the new bank app in the language you choose, and that's it. Changing the language in Nubank is fast and easy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy using Nubank language that's best for you. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. Hope you will like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.